Introducing To Mannequin in WeShop AI. Are you an e-commerce owner struggling with sensitive issues with your current model photo? Now your model image can easily be turned into a mannequin photo with a simple click.
Simply upload your original photo to Mannequin. Select which kind of form you would like the mannequin to appear. This is where you determine whether you want to keep the head of the mannequin with display or dress form. Type in your preferences for the mannequin posture, for example, hands down. Click on Generate and WeShop AI will take care of the rest. Now you can transform smoothly between AI models or mannequin display, perfect for all e-commerce purposes. No more sensitive issue. No need to worry about model skin tone. A neutral outfit can now be displayed without gender preferences. A bikini photo no longer needs masking. Decorate your store with unified, clean style. Go try it now on WeShop.ai.